We've been using the program known as Hudl for a few years to do all of our video storage and recording for all of our sports teams that use it. So football, soccer, field hockey, basketball, wrestling. Last year, Hudl tested, and this year made available to the public, a camera system that's called Hudl Focus. And what that camera system does is automatically records athletic events and practices, in this case in our gym, which would cover basketball, wrestling, and volleyball, saves that video for us, much like would happen if somebody recorded a game with a camera and uploaded it to a website. And it also gives us the ability to live stream events that are going on in our gym as well. We were already recording games and using the video, with a handheld camera or an iPod or something like that, or an iPad. But this kind of makes it a lot easier to do that because we don't have to have a person operating the camera. We just have to turn it on. It records automatically and then turn it off when it's done. The camera moves on its own. The technology in the camera is it follows the action by itself. Our only involvement is we turn the camera on when an event starts and we turn it off when the event's over, and that's done through just a phone app. What was great about this project is it was kind of a joint venture with our athletic booster club, which gave us some of the funding that we needed to purchase the system and to keep our Hudl subscription going every year. Because our booster club, they're always a great resource and they're always looking for innovative things that we can do to help out our student athletes. And this is just one of a long list of things that they've done to help us out in the athletic department. It's a really great teaching tool for our coaches to connect with kids in maybe a different way. A lot of video analysis after games are over, to be able to show somebody, on film, hey, here's what happened, here's what we need to do differently, here's what you did well. We're going to live stream as many events as we can, which would probably cover all of our home events in volleyball, wrestling, and basketball. It's made our recording of games 1,000 times easier than it was before.